I'm Dr. John A. Rothschild, a general dentist in the Durango, Colorado area who practices holistic aspects of general dentistry. Today I would like to talk to you about the Velscope. The Velscope is a unique device to detect changes in the mouth for possible oral cancer detection. What the Velscope does is it works off of fluorescence technology and will go deep underneath the tissue to what we call the basal layer of the tissue, at a layer where there can be changes that can occur, and these changes, irregularities in the cell structure, which can lead to oral cancer. As we know, oral cancer is on the rise and can affect a normal housewife or just a normal gentleman, both who have never smoked in their life. Traditionally, when I was in residency down at Rush Presbyterian St. Luke's Medical Center, we saw a lot of oral cancer patients who were smokers and drinkers, and that combination was deadly. The key to detecting oral cancer is to get it early. If you wait until it appears orally and visibly in the mouth, then there is a higher chance of fatality or mortality and a much higher risk during the surgical procedure. We use this Velscope in our initial examinations, and our recall examinations, and in our hygiene examinations. We feel this is a very integral part of a holistic concept in treating general dentistry for our patients. Thank you very much. I'm Dr. John A. Rothschild.